guys, welcome back to our channel. Today Chava's going to be showing you a little trick on how to make the effect of a glitter cake. If you'd like to learn how to make this, please keep on watching. Okay, so you're going to be needing plain edible image sheets. We're going to be using 2 of them since we are going to be making a 10-inch cake. Depending on the size of your cake, you might need more or less. You're going to go ahead and put the sheet in the oven for about 30 seconds.
Alright, so I took it out of the oven and now you let it dry for about 30 seconds so it can be cooled down. And once it cools down, check it out. This is what it does. See how it cracks? It's not flexible anymore. See that? See how it looks? You smash it, see that?
Yeah.
Kind of like eggshells. Like that. So it just comes right off. It's already like se despega rápido. Yeah. Fold it again, and just crumble it up right here. Wow.
Now there's edible glitter effect. I know some people make it out of gelatin.
Yeah.
One of our friends made it for us before, who also makes cakes, and it actually wasn't something that we really like because it's really hard, right? Like,
yeah, you can't really eat it because it's like it's hard, you know. It's kind of like
it like stabs your neck.
It's like you're biting on.
It doesn't seem edible.
Yeah.
But this one, on the other hand, it melts in your mouth.
Yeah, this one literally melts in your mouth.
Because it's just sugar like paper, right?
Yeah. So if you see that, that's scraps from a Laker cake that I'm making. And it's an edible image too. And I'm just crumbling it up too. So it could be enough for the whole cake, you know? Other than that, that's how you make it. And then after that, we put it on the cake. I'll show you guys right now how to put it on the cake. Alright, so you want to throw on the glitter right after you give it the second coat so it can be sticky still. Because if it's too dry, if you like put it in the fridge after this, it's not going to be as sticky and it's not going to stick to it.
This is a cool technique aside from the sequins. The sequins kind of looks like glittery too, right? But
yeah, but this one's actually like
it actually looks like
it just looks more like glitter.
Yeah, you guys will see because he's gonna add it and it's just gonna be the texture, but then he'll paint over it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, now I'm gonna put it on.
And you guys see those little dark pieces? Those were from another edible image. So don't worry about it because you're gonna paint it.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna matter. These sheets, they charge us $5 each at the cake supply store.
I got 2 of them this time, but if it's because it's a 10-inch. But if it's bigger, you're gonna need 3. You know what I'm saying? And you could even need 4 if it's a 16-inch. Alright, and since I don't want it to be like sticking out and you want it to be real stuck, so when you paint it with the brush, they won't fall off as much. You just want to smooth it with the smoother. Like this, see that? and just take off all the excess that's on the bottom with the brush. Make sure you buy one of these. These will come in handy. Any type of big brush comes in handy, trust me.
And they don't have to be specifically like for cakes. We got ours at Hobby Lobby for like $15. And it was a pack of like 7.
Yeah, hell yeah. And they come in handy. Like, they're fucking dope. Yeah, just smooth it real good again.
You want a good brush that doesn't shed.
Yeah, you don't want a brush that sheds because then you have hair all over the fucking place. Y ahí está. Ahí está.
Okay, so as usual, we're going to be using the same gold highlighter dust from Sunflower that we always use with the alcohol. Keep in mind the consistency should look a little bit like that. And have fun painting. Alright guys, so this is the finished look for the glitter effect. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to see him use real glitter next time, please go ahead and comment down below. Thank you for watching.